So we all living life in the night. Pray to God, man, I hope I don't die. I've been awake for days. So we all living life in the night. Pray to God, man, I hope I don't die in the night. So we all living life in the night. Pray to God.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. You're watching the RevKid. So today I'm riding this beautiful machine, the Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. The sleek line, sculpted fuel tank, the retro-inspired dual exhaust pay homage to the iconic motorcycles of the past, while the meticulously crafted details add a touch of elegance. But don't let its vintage appearance fool you. Underneath the nostalgic facade lies a powerful machine that offers an exhilarating riding experience. Riding this baby after a long time, I just couldn't hold my excitement but to take her for a good 50-60 kilometer ride. Oh man, this is an indescribable feeling that sweeps over you when you twist the throttle. When you surrender yourself to the open road on two wheels, it's a potent cocktail of freedom and adrenaline that courses through your veins, awakening every sense and igniting a fire within. The world around you transforms into a blur of colors and sensations, as if you're seamlessly merging with the very essence of the road.
So finally here, I don't know where to go. The closest beautiful place I can think of right now is supercars. So planning of going there. Let's see what happens.
That is Mr. Kamlesh on his Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The building you see on the right is Dalipur jail. It is no longer operational as a jail and has been converted into a museum recently. At this point I exchanged my helmet that had the GoPro mounted to it to get some good shots of the rolling shots of the Interceptor 650. I had a very uncomfortable time with Mr. Kamlesh's helmet with billions of scratches on the helmet visor. I had difficulty seeing in front and also it was a bit loose for me. Anyway, enjoy the shots of this beautiful machine. This particular color scheme by Royal Enfield is called the Bekar Express.
चाका भी तो
Back on the bike. At first I decided to ride till Principghat, but then till Mangemore. Wanted some more miles. The nimble handling and agile nature of the Interceptor 650 make it the perfect companion for these urban adventures. With every twist of the throttle, the engine pours its power unleashed in a controlled and responsive manner. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. This is RevKid signing off. Thanks for watching.